Hey there, fellow entrepreneurs. Now that you have successfully launched your store, let's talk about 10 simple but essential things to do after your launch. Up until now, we have talked about everything that you need to know and do until the day of your launch. Today, we'll move on to all the things you need to do after. Let's begin. Launching your online business is a major accomplishment in itself. But the process doesn't end there. Now you have to think about optimizing your store, being present on social media, creating ad campaigns, and things like that. I'm going to help you with all of this in this video. Number one, set up social media accounts and spread the word. Social media is very essential in today's world, and everyone is on it. All your potential customers, investors, suppliers, everyone. And you need to be there too. The amount of time people spend scrolling through social media is insane. Make the most of it. Show up in people's feeds, explore pages, and be crisp about the message that you want to put out there. And how can you do it? A. Creating a social media strategy depending on what channel you decide to use. Every social media site works differently. Instagram has more visual content, while LinkedIn has more text, and Twitter gives you very limited characters to express yourself. Naturally, you will need different strategies that are best suited for each platform. You also need to figure out how to navigate your social media content to stay true to your brand identity. Social media strategy templates are basically plans that helps you to make the most of your content and presence on the platform. There are many strategy templates to choose from on the internet, and we have added some of the best ones out there for you in the description below, so do check it out. Choose the best strategy based on your brand, the social media platform, and your target audience. B. Creating content and scheduling it. Now comes the part where you have to create content for your social channels. Dukaan can help you with this. We have a long list of templates that you can use to create your own posts, stories, and share them with your customers. These are ready-to-use designs that you can use to create content and share new information with your customers on your social media accounts. You can edit them to suit your needs like this. You can also use tools like Hootsuite to schedule your posts at regular intervals so that this process is automated and your efforts are reduced significantly. Showing up on the search feed of your potential customers. SEO, or search engine optimization. SEO is such an important part of your online store that it can make or break your online presence. It is a magic tool that helps you drive organic traffic to your store without any paid campaigns. Let me tell you how you can do it. Add custom pages targeting specific keywords. You can add custom pages to your store like Karnataka Steels did, so that people who visit your store can have all the information they need in front of them. You can tell your story, your terms and policies maybe, or even feature your best products with the help of these pages. You can also use the keywords that are most searched for related to your products and add them to your product descriptions in order to drive more traffic on your website. Set up the all-in-one SEO plugin. SEO, or search engine optimization, can be a little intimidating if you don't know what to do, but we have made it easy for you. To boost your store's SEO, all you need to do is install the all-in-one SEO plugin from the Dukaan plugin store. Don't worry about setting it up. We have a YouTube video where we've explained everything that you need to know about our amazingly easy to use plugin and all that it helps you with. Do check it out. Add search engine friendly product descriptions. Product descriptions come to your rescue when you feel stuck even after listing all of them in your store and adding pictures and everything. They help you talk to your customers about your products. We have already focused enough on product descriptions, and here's a video to help you write amazing product descriptions that sell. Please do check it out because it's incredibly useful. We've also added links to these videos in the description below, so please do check them out. Next, set up Google Search Console. Google Search Console is an extremely useful tool that helps you keep track of your Google search presence. You can use it to monitor your website's performance and make necessary changes to improve whenever possible. And did you know that your Dukaan store already has a plugin to help you with this? All you got to do is install the plugin in your store. You can find it from the Dukaan's plugin store right here. Next, create private invite-only communities. This can be your next step after creating your social media accounts and when you have some loyal customers. You can add some of your customers to the exclusive invite-only groups where you give them the first dibs on the upcoming products, news, and anything else that you want. This helps create a group of loyal customers who feel valued, and you get a continuous stream of business from them. You can create these groups on WhatsApp, Facebook, or even Telegram, whatever is your choice. You can even use the customers list feature on Dukaan to start with. It's a win-win thing to do. Next up, keep your store updated. This is one of the most overlooked things that businesses do. You are not done once and for all after launching your store and adding products to it. You need to keep revisiting your store and make changes and keep it relevant. These changes can be with regards to your products, content, SEO, or even the theme of your website. Staying updated is the key to staying relevant. There's no other way. So keep adding updates at regular frequencies, be it daily, weekly, or monthly, whichever is your convenience. Next, set up product reviews. Product reviews play a major role in increasing the credibility of your store's products and attracting more customers. But how can you add those reviews to your store? Easy, with Dukaan's product review and ratings plugin. With this plugin, you can ask your customers to review your products and reply to those reviews automatically and publish them to your website, and even bulk import reviews from other places if you have them there. Try it out today. The link to getting started is down in the description. Next, set up Google Analytics. Google Analytics help you to know your website's visitors, the content they expect from your site, and their browsing behavior, all for free. This can help you track and measure your goals and get the best ROI or return on investment for your online presence. Sounds a bit technical, isn't it? Don't worry, you can start with the basics. Install the Google Analytics plugin from the Dukaan store, and if you need help setting up, you can go to the installation guide and follow the steps there. You should of course do your own research and then work with it to track small, easily achievable goals. Here's a tip for you: measure specific goals. For example, set up a goal to track visits to a particular page like checkout page, and then you can track the progress there. Once you're accustomed to it, you can dive deeper into the analytics later. Next, create a Facebook ad campaign. You should utilize your social media presence to the fullest, isn't it? Facebook has some tools that helps you to get valuable data for your website, and one of them is Facebook Pixels. A Facebook Pixel is a code that collects data and helps you to track customers that visit your website from Facebook ads, and it helps you to optimize those ads, build a target audience for ads, and also remarket to those people who have already visited your website. I know, it's getting a little bit technical, right? Don't worry, we have a plugin for that as well, which makes this easy. All you need to do is install the plugin and follow the instructions mentioned in the link down in the description below. Next, create an AdWords campaign. A Google AdWords campaign basically helps your store be visible in search results when someone searches for a particular product that you sell in your store. You may have to allocate a separate budget for this and pay for the clicks. We have a separate video guide for you to deep dive into the know-how of Google Ads, and you can learn more about how to set up your Dukaan store and run ads on it using Google AdWords. Next, set up live chat for your customers. Live chat is widely used for customer support these days on every website. You can easily track your customers and talk to them when they visit your website. You can greet them, address any problems, and even promote some of your products with live chat. Statistics prove that having live chat on your store results in more conversions and sales on online stores. So try it out today. Simply install the plugin and it will be active on your website. The link to getting started is again down in the descriptions below, so do check it out. Next, create a customer's email database and start email marketing. Email marketing is still live and kicking, and you need to use this to the fullest if you want to succeed properly in marketing. It is more powerful than social media marketing and easier to crack too. To begin with, all you got to do is get a customer email database that you can use to start sending relevant emails to your customers. MailChimp can help you with this. Just install it and it will make your job a lot easier. The link to getting started with MailChimp is also given down in the description. do check it out. So there you have it, 10 very important things to do after you have launched your store that will make you stand out from the rest. Once your store is set up, the next step is to optimize its functionality and make efforts so that all your day-to-day operations run smoothly. We covered everything from the fun part to the technical side, and I hope you found what you were looking for. I know all this information at once might have been a little overwhelming for you, but worry not, you can take it all one step at a time. There's no need to rush and do everything together. And we're always here to help you along your way as well. So do contact us on our customer support channels if you get stuck, and we will take care of things for you. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below and we will get back to you. Until next time, bye.